Hey guys, it's been a long time. I am going to adjust my handbrake today. It's quite loose, goes way up, and I want to make an adjustment on my Mazda 5. Some say Mazda Primacy. There's a screw right here. Just a Phillips screwdriver. Take your screwdriver, begin already. Screw this screw out, and when it's out, take it out here. Very easy. And then this thing, well, we're going to lose the mat here, the rug. This thing comes off easy. So it's the handbrake is down already. So it comes off easy peasy. This is the cover. This is the cover, the handbrake, right? And it goes in this general orientation, right? Now, this is a little cover here, and the handbrake doesn't work properly. Now, to adjust the handbrake, it's very simple. Here's a nut that adjusts it. It's a 10mm bolt. Turn it and turn it clockwise until it is adjusted to your liking. Well, the standard says 5 to 8 clicks, and on this Mazda. So I am going to test that theory. If I have that within that range, here it goes. 1, 2, would that sound like 3, 4, 5, right? And my handbrake is up, right? So it is fully engaged and easy. It was way up here, my handbrake. So now I adjusted it by just screwing this little knob here. I hope you're seeing it right here. This is a 10mm screw. Screw it clockwise and tighten it to 5 click, and you just test it all the time to see as you go along tightening that screw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 is good for me. I don't want it any tighter than that. And simple. Put back the orientation of the cover there. Put in your screw. Hope you're seeing. Put in your screw, and then you have your. This is a very relatively easy job to do on this Mazda 5 Primacy. Screw it in. I hope you see me screwing right here. It's a very easy job. Right down to the wire until it says no more. You don't want to go hell wire on it. It's firm. Won't move. Put in my center there. See, it's firm. It won't move. Latch my stuff there, and that's in. This is my center console. Put in my cups, and there you have it. My handbrake is easy. No, and adjusted. 1, 2, 3. Right? Thank you for watching. I'll put the it's easy just like that. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to Oral Daily DIY channel, please. I want this channel to grow. Thank you.